Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Alberta, but you can just simply call me Albie. So you guys, today's video is a quick one. Okay, so I purchased some makeup products and I just thought I should come on here and unbox with you guys. Most of the products that I bought are Nigerian brands. Listen, I'm not even going to lie to you. These Nigerian brands get the work done, okay, and they are super affordable. The Nigerian makeup products are super affordable and they do get the job done. Okay, so I really love patronizing them. The first thing I bought is this V Beauty powder palette. So this is a new product to me. I've not used it before, but I've heard good things about it. So that's why I bought it. I bought a smaller size. They do have this in a bigger size, but I decided to get this size. So it's the V Beauty palette. It's called The Secret. Okay, I don't know why it's called The Secret though. Oops. Oh, something just fell out of it. Let me see. Oh, I love the colors. This is what fell out of the palette. I don't know what this is, but I think it's a mirror. If it's a mirror, then that's very thoughtful of them. That's a thoughtful brand. Hey, what's this? What is this? I don't know why this is. Is it like a mixing plate? Ooh, I think it's a mixing plate. So you see sometimes when you're doing your makeup and you want to mix like shades to get like your right shade, especially foundations. When you want to get your correct shade, you like to mix, like we tend to mix different shades of foundation. So I think this is a mixing plate. It's so cute. I guess this is a mixing plate. I'm not sure, but I think it's a mixing plate. That is so pretty. So this is the palette. Oh, I'm so happy with the shades. Okay. Whoo! This is my favorite setting spray. Okay, it is my all-time favorite setting spray, and it's super affordable. This setting spray right here is a makeup setting and fixing spray. They say it's a fixing spray, but it also works as a setting spray for me. I use it as both setting spray and a fixing spray. This is a staple product of mine. You guys, this Kiss Beauty setting spray, it works amazing. Listen, you know, after doing your makeup, after applying all your powder products, and you spray this over it, see, it corrects mistakes. It corrects mistakes. I'm not even exaggerating. They've never sponsored any of my videos before, but if something is good, it's good. I use this very often. And this V Beauty Second Skin Foundation. Hey, this is another favorite product of mine. This is my all-time favorite foundation. It works amazing. And I got it in the shade Nigeria. Because that's the shade that I think works for me. So yeah, I got it. And hey, it's an amazing product. You guys, I just love the brand V Beauty because they have amazing products. Like it's like when a brand puts in a lot of thought into their product, you can tell. As a buyer, you can tell. And V Beauty is one of the brands who puts in a lot of effort into formulating their products. Their products are just amazing. This is it. I feel like this looks different from mine. I'm not so sure. Oh, it's the same thing. In the shade Nigeria. Amazing stuff. I love. Let me show you guys the consistency. I don't like wasting products. So you guys will see me film tutorials with them. And then another new product I decided to get is this Nuba. Oh, I didn't know if I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but most of the products I got today are Nigerian brands because they are doing amazing. Okay. Nuban Beauty Foundation. Listen, I use the Nuban Beauty concealer. I use their concealer, and their concealer is one of my favorite concealers because I do love my LA Girl Pro concealer. So yeah, Nuban Beauty concealer is one of my favorite concealer. Hey, you're small. You see, they've written proudly Nigerian on here. It's a Nigerian brand, and oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this amazing stuff. Oh, the shade is just perfect. I think I'm really good with picking up products which are my shades because this is their Nuban Beauty oil control setting powder. I've never used this product before, so I just went on their page and then I watched a couple of videos to see which which shade would work perfectly for me. And then, oh, another new product, another new product that I want to try is this Avoir concealer. This is in the shade A40. A40. And I've never used Avoir products before. So, oh, this is also an amazing shade. Oh, I love how I'm able to pick out. Oh, this is a perfect shade for me. Oh, this is very close to my skin tone. So I'm happy about that. I can't wait to try this stuff. Younger Beauty is also another amazing Nigerian brand that I've heard of. I've never used any of their products before, but this is the Younger Beauty concealer. Okay, it's the Younger Beauty Smooth Match Concealer. Let me open this quickly and show you guys what it looks like. It's the Younger Beauty Smooth Match Concealer in the shade. I think I got the MSC3. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. In the shade S SMC3. Yeah, let me check if the shade. Oh, it's an amazing shade. Okay. It's an amazing shade for me. I'm really good with picking products. This is it. I can't wait to try this. I didn't just buy them for buying sake. Okay. I watched videos. I've seen people use them and they work amazing. Okay. If you know me, you know I love Laifa and Glam by Omoye so much. I watch their videos. I watch their makeup videos and all. And these are some products I see in their videos. And also I saw them on TikTok. I saw these products on TikTok. Some beauty creators use them on TikTok. And I was like, let me try this. Oh, another new product. This is the Mario Badescu skincare. So I learned this. You see, it doesn't say it's a, what's it called? It's a setting spray, but makeup artists say this is a setting spray. So yes, that's why I got it, because they say it's a setting spray and it works amazing. So yeah, now Kiss Beauty has a competitor on my page. Kiss Beauty has competition now. So yeah, I'll be trying Mario Badescu as well. Since Kiss Beauty works as a setting spray and also a makeup fixing spray, I'll use this first and then top it up with my Kiss Beauty. I can't wait to try this. And also use this during skin prep before makeup, okay, to lock everything in. I like to still use the Kiss Beauty for that, but I'll start using the Mario Badescu for it. Okay. You see, these products look really big on camera, but hey, in person they are small. So yeah, it works well for all skin types. Next we have lip glosses. You know, with lip glosses, me, I use any lip gloss that I can find, because I feel like lip glosses do the same thing. Like they all do the same thing, but some do have different consistency though. So yeah, I got this one from Beyond Beauty, also a Nigerian brand. Oh, okay. And it smells amazing. And then I also got this one. This one, I don't even know the brand, but I just got it. And moving on. Oh, they gifted me this eye mask. This eye mask was gifted from the shop I bought everything from. It's the Bio Aqua Golden Caviar eye mask. Okay, so this body lotion is also new. It's a new product to me. If you know me, you know I use baby oil and Vaseline on my body. Like that's what I use on my body. But like I wanted to get something that contains UV protection, that has UV protection in it. I do use a sunscreen, but I only use it on my face. So I wanted to get something that I can use for my skin that also contains UV protection. So I got this one from Garnier. It's their new bright new. This is it. This is it. I saw amazing reviews of this lotion. That's why I got it. It has lemon in it, so yeah, it smells amazing. It smells amazing. I can't wait to try this. And the last two is this Olay vitamin C brightening body lotion. This is in mine. This is for my brother, and the Palmer's as well. these products are for my brother. He wanted some stuff as well, so I got these for him. I have to get them to him because we don't live together. But yeah, that's basically everything. So stay tuned for more makeup tutorials on my page. I'm going to be posting amazing makeup tutorials, affordable yet chic, classy, simple makeup tutorials for you guys on here. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the post notifications bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye for now. Peace.